is we want to make a confidence interval for 99% confidence intervals for the difference between two proportions. That's what we want to be doing. We want to be making a confidence interval that's 99% for the difference between two proportions, and so that's going to be what we got to do right here. Now, the way we got to do it is we're gonna need two samples. We're gonna need a sample number 1 like this, and a sample number 2 like this. And since we're looking at two proportions, we're gonna have to look at a proportion for the first ones and a proportions for the second ones. And what we need to do with our samples is we got to look at them and find out how many successes there are. And in our first group, there are 8 successes, and for our second group, there are 17 successes. And for our first group, there's a sample size of 12, and for our second group, there's a sample size of 23. And that's enough for us to try to figure out the confidence interval, the 99% confidence interval for the difference of two proportions of successes, we should say. Oh, I can't believe we almost left that out. We need to know what the two proportions of successes. We want to find the difference between the two. Now we have all these numbers. So what are we going to do with them? I think what we'll do is we will hit on the start button, and then we are going to have to go over to where it says test, and this is so trying on me, but that is what we will do. And then, oh, there it is. It's this thing that says, it says 2propzint. Oh, yeah, and the int means interval, and the prop means proportions, and the 2 means there's 2 of these different samples. Oh, and then what do I do when I go in there? Oh, it looks like all the numbers I already counted up. So I type in my X number 1, and then I type in my N number 1. That's the first group's information. Then I gotta go look at my second group's information, and there were X number 2, which 17 successes, and then there was N number 2 is 23 in my sample size. I'm sorry, I think I said X number 2 and was 17 successes, but that's the right thing. Okay, I've typed it all in, and then it wants to know the C level, which stands for confidence level, and so I gotta turn in my confidence level, and they said to use 99, so I'm gonna use 99, and then I'm gonna hit on the calculate, and it comes down, and it gives me my answer, my confidence interval. It's these numbers right here in the top line. It's negative 0.4949 and 0.35002. Oh, that's incredible. I can't believe that's what we got. We got 2 numbers, and then the rest of the things that show up on there, there's a p-hat number 1 and a p-hat number 2. Those are sample proportions. Those are just taking the numbers over here that I had the 8 and the 12 and dividing, and then it's taking the numbers over here, the 17 and the 23, and dividing. Oh, I shouldn't have put 2 there. I should have put 1. So this would be the 8 by the 12, and this would be the 17 by the 23. But really, if I'm making my confidence interval, I could just stop when I figured out what this was right here. And, oh, that's so good. It's almost done. Oh, wait, it is done. And the formulas, I'm sure you're going to get shown what the formulas are in class.